This is Bharti Vidya Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Ratitalai, Banswara. I am Fulgentius Felix.
Myself, Shujat Pathan, and we are conducting ASL program.
Session 14-15 of Standard 9th.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
What's your name, dear?
My name is Jatin Chobisa.
And what about you?
My name is Jagendra Singh Chauhan.
Okay, Jatin and Jagendra.
Yes.
Jatin, you are candidate A, and Jagendra, you are candidate B.
Yes, sir.
Now you may proceed with your general introduction. Okay?
Yes, sir. Hello, Jagendra. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Did you go to the Suchna Kendra for science exhibition?
Yes, I went there. There were many science projects that were very amazing.
Yes, it was an awesome exhibition. Water and other natural resources conservation, hydroelectricity, and the environmental projects were presented.
Yeah, these conservation projects are everywhere. I like that. Save environment project especially very much.
It is the need of the hour, and we must protect our environment as much as we can.
Yes, we must.
Okay, Jagendra, I have to go now.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, candidates. Now, this is the end of your part 1. Now, we move on our next task, and it is topic presentation. Candidate A, are you ready with your topic?
Yes, sir.
What is your topic?
So my topic is the beauties of the nature.
Okay, beauties of the
Nature.
nature. Will you please elaborate?
Yes, sir. Nature is a treasure house of beauties, glories, and mysteries. It is the panorama of beauty. It is the storehouse of wonders and sounds. Love of nature is instinctive in man. Nature, in her changing moods, appeals to every heart. Nature is a book of gold. Her every page is a glimpse of beauty. Every object of nature is beautiful. Nature is one of our universal mother who gladly offers us her gifts. She presents her beauties in thousands of shapes and forms. The sunrise, the sunset, the rain, the rainbow, the lightning, the thunderbolts are the manifestations of the beauties of the nature that delight every heart on earth. Now, let us turn to the glories of the earth. The lofty mountains with the snowy peaks, the limitless seas running up to horizons, the waterfalls, the rivers and the lakes shining with shining water play and green meadows are very attractive. The nature does not simply give a sensuous pleasure. So, the nature is capable of giving a spiritual message. And it is a symbol of God. So, the lovers of the nature seek God through the medium of the nature.
Okay, good, candidate A. Now, candidate B, Jagendra will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Jatin. What is the largest unit of living organism on Earth?
Biosphere.
When do we celebrate World Environment Day?
On 5th of June.
Okay, now candidate A, I have also a question for you. Name 2 components of ecosystem.
Biotic and abiotic are the 2 components of the ecosystem.
Okay, candidate B, any question?
No, sir.
I would like to ask you one question. Do you believe in preserving the natural beauty?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why?
Because this time, the more environments are polluted by the disturbing elements, by the social elements.
Okay.
Okay, now candidate A, this is the end of your topic presentation. Now candidate B, are you ready with your topic?
Yes, sir.
What is your topic?
My topic is tourism and terrorism.
Tourism and terrorism. Good. Will you please elaborate?
Yes, sir. Kashmir is called paradise on earth. It is quite unfortunate that paradise is living in the shadow of terrorism. The peace and harmony of the valley has been shattered by the act of terrorism. The valley echoes with the burst of bullets. Gone are the days when the Dal Lake was overtaken by the inflow of tourists from different parts of the world. The biggest source of income to the state and the local people has disappeared. The unabated tourist of the 2 decades has tarnished the grandeur and glory of Kashmir. Tourism and terrorism cannot go together. Law and order must be restored. The youth of Kashmir and other places tourist interest have the biggest stake of maintain. If peace and order is maintained, Kashmir will not take long to attain its old grandeur and glory of Kashmir.
Okay, now candidate B, candidate A will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Why is Kashmir called the paradise on earth?
Because of its natural beauty.
Which two things does not go together?
Tourism and terrorism.
Okay, candidate B, I have also a question for you. What does Kashmir need to attain the all glory?
Tourism.
Okay, good. Candidate A, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the end of part 2. Now we move on the third part of the task, and that is problem solving task. And your problem or situation is, suppose you have gone for picnic to Karelia with your friends, and one of your friend fall in water. How will you save him? 20 seconds for discussion. Okay, ready?
First of all, I immediately jump into the water and try to save his life.
Good.
I will catch his hair and try to save him, and then take him outside the water.
And I get him outside and push his chest so the water inside his heart may come out.
And I will give first aid, whatever was possible that time.
Then I take him to the hospital and told the doctor about the whole situation.
Okay, good. Any other?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the end of our ASL program. You may please go now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.